that's what those little clips look like. And I lost one. So I'll go get a new set. So I need to get new ones anyway. We use a magnet to hang on to that little dude. But take care of your lines. You know, you're gonna get some leakage coming out of the transmission body itself. But take and put tape on it. Here, let's put a light on. We have a light anywhere. There it is. Alright. Just put some tape on it. Put a bag on it and then put some tape on it. You don't want anything getting in it anywhere. Alright. So now we're loose there. Now I have one bolt on that side of the transmission and then one at the top. These are all already off. And we'll be ready to try and get that broke flex plate off right there. Look at it. You can see it, it's right up against this warp. Right up against this thing here. Hopefully we'll be able to slide the transmission back at least 4 inches, 3-4 inches. I've already taken that one loose right there. And then I'll take the other side loose so that I can just raise and pull that mount out and then use that hopefully to be able to slide back and rest the transmission on it along with the jack as well. It's threatening rain on me, so the next thing is to take this side of the motor mount loose, transmission mount loose, which is 15 millimeters. Just everything is 15 and 10 and an 8. That's what you're looking at. It's basic tools, okay? We've already got the lines loose over here so that the transmission will slide. The cable and all that we leave all together. We'll get that transmission mount out, but I don't think I'm gonna do it today. The storm's trying to sneak up on me. All right, y'all.